Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Wolf. And I hope you have seen the Bitcoin's price recently and how it is pumping, like continuously pump and straight line like this, pumping to the upside. And I just want to clear some things that I don't know why no one is talking about this, but the price of Bitcoin is, I don't think that, I guess it is manipulated or what, because none of the asset can pump like straight like this and some consolidation and straight up like this. There has to be a major retest or a downwards correction, but in the Bitcoin's price nothing is happening and no one is talking about it also. And the price action is forming. So if you see, if there is a resistance and the Bitcoin's price comes all the way up here, and then when it does a breakout, no retest at all, just continuous price action, green candles back to back. And no one is talking about, like the big YouTubers also that post daily videos on crypto and all the things going on in the crypto world, no one is talking about all of this. Everyone is just happy because their portfolio is in green and they are going high leverage long positions and making quick money. But I want to just remind you that do not enter in any FOMO, because I don't think so that now Bitcoin's price is organic or authenticate, because now I think it's just manipulative and controlled either by institutions or by big whales. Not only this, but the Tether USDT is also dominating the whole crypto space. They are printing, I don't know, like millions and billions of USD tokens out of thin air every single week, and no one is still talking about this also. I mean, all the price will go eventually into cryptos and especially in Bitcoin, and it will be artificial pump for the price of Bitcoin, but no one is talking about it at all. I just want to say that be aware of this and do not listen to anyone out there giving their analysis. I'm just being truthful, and you can do your own analysis as well, then only trade. And yeah, I mean, I'm very upset about this whole crypto scenario, because many people say that crypto is decentralized and not controlled by any, when it is a good thing and the main motive is that only. But this is somehow being giving us a negative impact. As you can clearly see, no regulatory at all. People are doing scams easily, running away and printing crypto easily, billions of dollars every week. Like, there has to be some rules and regulatory that I think is necessary. Okay, so I hope you all understand. If you want a detailed video on it, then do let me know in the comments. And right now, let's get into the charts. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Bitcoin's price is following price action and levels, but not to the fullest. It's just pumping and pumping straight. You can clearly see the price of Bitcoin started to pump from here, the important $30,000 level, and then it pumped continuously without any retest. If I show you on the weekly chart, look at this, without any retest or a red candle, continuous pump in the Bitcoin's price. Then some sort of a sideways market, and not much sideways market, because what I thought was that the Bitcoin price has to come down till $30,000 to retest it, but nothing is happening, as you can clearly see. And recently, the past week, a full pump to the upside, not much volume also, like the weekly average volume is way greater than this daily weekly pump. You can clearly see right here, back to back green candle, and like the next level is $48,000. And as I said, that the price action is being followed and the Bitcoin price is respecting it. But you can clearly see how easily it just break through all of these minor resistance are right there, because you can clearly see right here it was a resistance, this whole zone is a resistance, this whole order block. But you can clearly see how perfectly the Bitcoin's price has did a breakout of all of, and this increases my doubt that the crypto market is now, I don't think so it is decentralized. I mean, of course it is decentralized, but I think it is controlled by someone else now. And as you all know that whenever the price of Bitcoin pumps, all the major cryptos will pump automatically. All the cryptos will pump automatically, that's for sure. You can clearly see this huge pump. I will show you later in other cryptos. And right now you can clearly see a small red candle is being formed right here. And if you go and see the other altcoins chart, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, any other chart, they are also slightly dumping. As you can clearly see, I am on the Dogecoin's chart right here. I entered over here at a breakout here at 0.07978, and the price of Dogecoin went all the way up till here. When the Bitcoin's price was pumping, Dogecoin price was also pumping, and now Bitcoin's price has come to an halt. The bulls are not that much strong, and you can clearly see again the original price of Dogecoin is here, representing on the chart as it is dumping. Here I am on the Stellar's chart. Same with Stellar, the price pumped heavily, and the candles did manage to close above this important yellow zone. But as soon as Bitcoin's bulls exhausted and not much money in the market, this is the original price of Stellar, as you can clearly see, coming for a retest, I guess, over here. And you can clearly see that if the price of Bitcoin pumps with no reason, every other crypto will also pump and break every level. And when the price of Bitcoin stops for some time, then they will continue their original price action right there. Just a quick update on Bitcoin's futures chart, and today is Monday, a new daily candle opening here, and there is a gap up opening in the price, because you can clearly see this last green candle, it closed at 47,770, and now this today's candle has opened at 48,406. So there are chances that the price of Bitcoin can see a spike down at $47,000. Let's see what happens, because the price of Bitcoin has to come down for a retest also, because it did a breakout of the main $48,000 level also. So let's see what happens here. Right now I'll not enter in any trade. I'm already in Stellar and Dogecoin trade right now, and Ripple's trade. And right now I'll wait for the price of Bitcoin, as I already told you in my previous videos, that either break the $48,000 to the upside with some consolidation up for a bit, or give a huge reversal indication to the downside, then I can trade for a reversal too. So yes guys, I hope you understand and gain some knowledge in this video, and this video will be informative to you as well. This is just a quick small, I would say, sneak peek to what I know and what is the harsh realities going on in the crypto world right now. Follow me on my Twitter if you want to stay updated and want to gain more knowledge on these topics as well. And this is it, and I hope you know that what to do in the future with the price of Bitcoin. Do your own analysis as well, but I'm suggesting to hold for a bit. Wait for the Bitcoin to show some kind of a consolidation or a reversal to the downside, and then I will see when to enter, when not to enter. But currently my trades are going pretty well on Dogecoin, Stellar and Ripple. So let's see what happens. This was just a quick update video, and I hope you understand it. If you want to trade Bitcoin, then you can do that on Bybit, and that's where I usually trade Bitcoin and other cryptos. You can get $30,000 gift. Link is in the description and in the pinned comment. And yeah, see you guys next time.